I'm so glad you like your toy. Missy Joe, I'm going to have to get you a different food bowl. Yeah. Where's your other toy? Where's your other toy, huh? I know. Look how tall you are. Okay, come here, I'll give you a hug. Come here. Come here. Okay. I know. Look how dirty you are. And Mama's just sitting there. Good girl, Luca. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Is that your doghouse? Hey! Is that your doghouse? Oh, Luca. You're a good girl. I know. All the treats were gone.